Hi, I'm Theresa. I'm from Indonesia, and then I learning from Cakes batch 12. I'm so happy I learned here. I got a lot of knowledge and skill from baking, and I'm very happy about how they're teaching about the ingredients, and it is a effect about our product. And then as myself is a beginner and don't know about make a cakes, now I'm happy I can bake a cake. I'm very proud of myself because Say Cake teaches me. I want to introduce my friends. Come, you join to Say Cakes and improve your baking, and maybe can get another side income. Thank you.